Hi, it's Joe Zago with theglovemi.com, helping Michigan grassroots growth, supporting really amazing Michigan companies such as Bakes Kropp, who's got their headquarters here in Mount Clemens, Michigan. And this place makes really nice high-end cabinetry, and you're really going to love what you see. So this is Bakes Kropp.
Yeah, Bakes Kropp Fine Cabinetry, and we're makers of luxury cabinets here in Michigan. Everything is manufactured here. We have about 35,000 square feet total, and 35 Michigan employees, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we have 3 showrooms in New York, 1 showroom in Plymouth, Michigan. That's where all of the retail end of things happens. So we have 10 design professionals in New York and several crews and all that kind of stuff out there. And then, like I said, everything's built here. And so we're a Michigan-made product.
Nice.
And we started with 1 saw in the basement of our Mount Clemens home. And my husband built it from that up to what we are today. So
Wow.
It's really exciting.
And this is a nice big building. You have distribution all over the United States?
Pretty much everything goes
Yeah.
to the East Coast, so New York.
But we have sent things to California, we've sent things Florida, yeah, down south. We're currently working on Virginia and Maryland, so those are new entry points for us, which is exciting.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
This is great. Can I see the factory?
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome.
Little disclaimer before we go, Molly will do the tour with us.
Okay.
And she likes to lay down behind you when we stop.
So don't back up.
Don't back up.
Not without the beep beep light there.
right. Yeah, I'm gonna wear my mask.
And then I'm going to give you guys safety glasses.
Thank you.
Yeah, sorry about that. Keep improving, respect, outcomes, professionalism, positive attitude. So these are our core values that every employee, is kind of schooled on when they come in, and then that's what we live every day here at Bakes Kropp are these five outcomes and
Excellent.
core values. Yeah.
Creates a great culture.
It does, yeah. So just to give you kind of an idea of where we are in terms of the market, the average house we work in is about $6 million.
Wow.
So the Hamptons especially, it's a pretty large area. so we'll go through, you can kind of get some shots of everything.
All right, cool.
So we'll start at the back door here.
So when did you incorporate your business?
Yeah, Bakes Kropp as a whole was about 5 years ago, but
Okay.
my husband was Kropp Woodworking before that.
Okay.
And then kind of joined forces. I built with our current business partner, who was a designer out in the Hamptons.
Okay, cool.
So we kind of start.
It's going to be extremely hard to hear.
I know. We kind of start at the back door here, and we move around in a big U shape. So
Okay.
in one door, out the other. Right here is our CNC area. So if you pan over here, we're cutting out all of our box sides. Derek here is our CNC operator. Very cool part of the business. We're not doing all this by hand. We're using, some nice technology. That gives us, precise measurements and clean cuts. It makes us very efficient. Run the program here in a second if you want a cool shot.
Yeah, what's that doing?
So it's cutting out interior parts for a kitchen. And if you look in the racks here, there's some finished parts. But instead of cutting like on a saw, there's a router bit in there that's cutting that piece out.
If you look right over here, there's a table saw.
Yep.
And that table saw was the first saw that my husband, started our business with. And it used to take him about a month.
Which one? The one he's using right now? Or?
This one right here.
Oh, right here.
This table. It used to take him about a month to do a kitchen.
Really?
One guy, one saw, a month. Then I remember we purchased this panel saw here, and with that panel saw, he could cut out a kitchen in a week,
Okay.
right? And then I remember the day that this machine came to the shop, and we could cut out a kitchen in a day.
Wow. An entire kitchen.
Yeah, well, I mean the parts of it, yeah. And that's just cutting it out, not building it.
Wow. So it still takes, the the thought process and everything else, and to create the design, and then you put it into the basically like a CAD pro or the into the software of some sort that.
Right, the components go into what we do is CAD, and they're engineered by an engineer. Actually, and our engineer started here as a guy that he swept the shop, and he was in cement before that. He was young, and he came in and Paul trained him, and then we sent him to school to be an engineer, and now he's our engineer here. And so we really believe that, and for workplace culture, that Amy started as our sander.
Really?
And now she's all the way up into purchasing.
That is so awesome.
Yeah,
this is
that's how
awesome.
We believe in training people and fostering a relationship that they can then, the sky's the limit.
Yeah, this is really great. I love it.
So we'll move through the shop. So this area over here is woodworking. It's where the fabrication process is happening. So the CNC cut out the box components, and now in woodworking they're making face frames, they're making range hoods, they're fitting doors. Right now he's doing some mitering, which is very cool. We've got a big range hood here glued up, ready to go out. We've got a stainless steel carcass. From woodworking, we're going to move into finishing, and all of this work is completed work by woodworking, waiting for the finishing department.
Wow.
So everything in the kitchen, everything in the kitchens here is manufactured, including we have a bunch of custom hoods, a line of custom hoods. This is one of them. It looks like a box at the moment, but it'll be a very beautiful. Is this nickel or is it? What is this? Brushed stainless. This is brushed stainless. We have all types of different metals, all types of different styles. Some really beautiful stuff.
Area of the facility. Here we have 2 automotive grade spray booths, which is really neat. And this completely closed off booth, you could pull a car in there and finish it. That's the quality of equipment that we use here. Right now we're in between some prime jobs, some stain jobs. There's some really neat walnut. If you pan over, you can kind of see some really cool walnut happening here. That's going to be finished off with a nice clear coat. There's a nice range hood carcass here that's also walnut. It's going to be very cool
pretty.
up to one's kitchen. I
love this.
started in the finishing department 8 years ago. So that's kind of neat. But yeah, 8 years ago I started here in finishing, and then I was the shop floor manager, foreman, and now I'm the purchasing manager. So really cool how Laura was saying earlier, how people are given an opportunity.
Yeah, very good. I think that's a sign of any really good successful company has to provide advancement. There's got to be that corporate ladder, and I started my business from scratch 10 years ago, out of a basement as well.
Right.
And so we're still trying to figure out the best way to give advancement and where do people go from here, and
we really believe in fostering a culture of taking care of people.
Yeah.
Your business is only as good as your weakest employee, I guess you would say. But really nobody has a perfect business, but we really believe that if your employees' lives are good, then they're going to do a great job when they come here. So we just really work hard at that, and I think that's one of the things I'm most proud of. We can build cabinets we can build great, beautiful, amazing cabinets. But if everyone in the building is miserable, then I think we failed. So I think it's equally as important as the quality of the product. We do a lot of things that are not industry standards, like we do a 401k match program. We do we believe in good health care. We do profit sharing, and then we have paid vacation time, PTO, and then we also do quarterly events when it's not COVID. We do quarterly events for our employees. So we take the Tigers game, but we take their entire family. We do a big Christmas party. We do rent out Total Sports, whatever. We just do a lot of family-oriented things. So a lot of fun.
That's awesome. Great place to work.
So we'll move towards the end of the line here. Now we're in assembly, so this is when all the parts come together. So the parts that you saw at the beginning that were cut on the CNC, they went through woodworking, they went through finishing, now they all converge together, and I like to call it adult Legos.
All right.
You know, to get to put them all together in assembly. I don't have a ton finished on the floor because they are hurrying up and wrapping these things up. It is truck day today, so they will be having a ton of fun this afternoon, loading that truck up and getting the stuff out of here.
So how many homes in a year would you say you guys supply?
I think I want to say we probably do 200 projects a year, but that doesn't necessarily mean 200 homes.
Right.
Because of the size homes that we work in, we'll do a kitchen and 8 vanities and
Wow.
you know 3 closets and this and that. So while
So you do everything, not just kitchens. I mean, every
room in the house.
Wow.
We'll do closets, vanities, bathrooms, pantry areas. We just recently got into more of wine room areas, or wine storage, which is really neat. We do a lot of pool houses because we're big in the Hamptons, where they will have a separate, little house where they can change or whatever, and that pool house will have a little kitchen in it.
Wow.
We've done laundry rooms. Any room that has a cabinet, we can build it.
Very cool operation. Thank you so much for taking me on the tour. Really nice stuff.